Every morning before we start work, we hunt for specific risks. Once we identify them, we try to reduce or even better eliminate those risks. I'm going to show an example here of an employee who identified a risk and who created a control to minimize that risk. In this case, if you look at the top, is there a possibility you could hit a piece of a building, a piece of equipment, or a worker with your equipment? In this case, the answer was yes. This employee had trucks coming onto the site while a pad was being rolled. So you select yes here, and then you want to select the method you will use to protect the worker or structure. So we're going to scroll down. He couldn't completely eliminate the hazard, but he can minimize the hazard in this case. So he chose a couple of options. Number one, he chose perform the work so the operator can always see the workers or structures. And we'll show you how he implemented that. The second option that he chose was position the equipment so operator error is less likely to strike the worker, utility, or structure. He chose that one as well, and we'll show you how that works.
Good morning again, guys. So out here rolling on this pad, I was rolling it from south to north, and which put my back to the south. Well, that's where we have trucks coming on the pad and coming over here and dumping to start the next lift. So what I did is I turned around, and now I'm facing the south where the trucks are entering on the pad. That way I cut down on the potential of maybe a truck, making the wrong move, me not seeing it, just taking out that error. And this way I can visually see everything that's in front of me, especially where they're coming on the pad. And it eliminates that error.
So again, what did he do? He performed the work so he could see the workers or the structures. So he kept the trucks in front of him. So he didn't have to worry about miscommunicating or hitting them when he was looking backwards. The other control is he kept the trucks at a very safe distance, so that operator error is less likely to occur in that case. There was really no chance of him hitting that truck because he kept himself at a safe distance. So that was the other control he made.